All right, guys, so we are back with our Roadmap Journey series. We are now into Module 17, which is online marketing. And so we are now going to learn about the world of marketing online through the internet and all that's entailed into the Roadmap course. So let's dive in. So, our introduction is going to give us a premise of who is online marketing for. And really quickly, you're going to learn that online marketing is for any business, any platform. As long as you know who your target audience is, you can win with online marketing. So now we're talking about all the fun stuff. Now we're getting into just the content marketing buckets. What buckets do you want to choose from? What makes most sense for the niche that you've chosen? What is it that you want to be known for? Are you going for the inspiration? Are you trying to empower your audience? Are you sharing success stories? Are you highlighting the positive change not only that you've experienced or potentially can experience, but also what does their life look like? After they've purchased your course or after they've subscribed to your email list, how does the customer's journey map out? You have to begin with the end in mind in order to get them to that point. Are you going the education route where you're going to be doing Q&A sessions, where you're going to be providing how-to guides, just general education about your niche, industry insights? For me, where is digital marketing going? What are the current trends? What has changed? What's old? What's outdated? And keeping people up to speed with what's going on in your niche. Or are you going the entertainment route? Are you trying to put humorous content out? Are you going for like exciting moments or visuals? Are you going the food and drink route where you're showing, drinks being mixed or food being cooked or prepared, POV style? Are you just showing the finished product and what it looks like and giving, B-roll footage? And now you have to choose your medium. Are you doing short form video, long form video? Are you doing written content? Are you just doing infographics and listicles? So once you've chosen the area that you're going to go and then the specific medium you're going to be using, they want to make sure that they're teaching you how to build up an identity within that content, how to make sure that you have a voice within your content that is building your brand. They're going to have an entire video for you on understanding your prospective buyers. They're going to break down all of the different buyer types for you in an entire video. So you're going to get really a layout of all of the different buyer types and what those look like and where do they fit in to your business. They have an entire video on concise messaging, and now concise messaging is definitely an area that like I feel like this video was made for me because I'm definitely not a very concise person. I am definitely trying to improve that, but there's a lot of fluff that I throw in, and I know that. And if you're watching this, you probably have thought the exact same thing. But I am definitely working on trying to be more concise, more to the point. I don't want to add too much fluff to things and then lose the viewer or lose the reader if I'm writing a blog or whatever the case may be. They're going to teach you about tonality, right? What is the tone that you're using? What, not only the tone of your voice, but what is the tone of the content that you're creating? Is it consistent? And they're going to break down all of those things for you. They're going to teach you how to start storytelling in a framework, what that looks like and how to go about improving your storytelling ability so you can engage more with your audience. Making sure that you're attracting the right audience is a huge portion because you want to make sure that the audience that you are speaking directly to feels what it is that you're saying. You want to be speaking to a specific group of people that is hearing what it is that you're saying and understands and can resonate with what you're trying to convey. Hopefully, those people understand where you're coming from and then can start to know, like, and trust you. They're going to help you with your mindset on views, this whole 200 view jail thing. They're going to squash that for you. They're going to give you a bunch of analogies as to why you shouldn't really be concerned about that, especially at the start. And then they're going to go into how do you plan your content calendar? How do you go in and actually create a calendar where you can create content in batches where it's not absolutely overwhelming to you to try and pump out one video every day? You can try to actually schedule that out and maybe have one specific day where you film or create all of your content, and then it's set for a week or 2 weeks or even a month. As you get into some of the future modules, you're going to learn from those folks exactly how to do some of those things. And then they're going to close it out with mastering the skill. They're going to go through the 3 phases that it takes to master a skill. And so they're going to just pump this entire module with information geared towards any content creators out there to allow you to schedule your content better, feel more comfortable about the target audience that you're speaking to, and so much more. So the next module that we go through is going to be all about business and content optimization. So that's going to do it for this one. As I always say, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. As always, guys, we'll see you in the next one.